Okay guys, so welcome to Master Sanker affiliate program, and now in this video I will share with you how to register to the affiliate program. So you just go to mastersanker.com, go to the affiliate program. Here I show you how to register, how to go to TikTok open account, how to open account in Instagram, how to open account in YouTube, and also how to use my free content for the affiliates program. And here is really important to sign all of the options. Okay, after you do that, you share your mail, phone, last name and first name. Of course this is not real, yeah, so I don't try to call. So you do submit now. So right now I will go to my email and thank you for joining affiliate program. So here I get this, and I get it in the spam. So just know if you not see it in inbox, so this is in the spam. Here, this is your unique link. This is the link you need to share in Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook for getting the money. Okay, so right now let's go to the dashboard. So you take this link and you open. You can see this is the dashboard. You continue with your email, what you register. Continue. And you make your password. Do whatever you want, do set password. And here you can see how many clicks you have, how many customers, and how much money you make. This is your link. You see this is the same link here and here, same link. Okay, so you take this link, make copy. Right now you go here to TikTok. You can do it also from your phone whenever you want. You just go there, continue with Google and choose your email, continue, and choose username. Let's make Master Sanker winners. Master Sanker winners. Okay, make sign up. Choose whatever you want. Okay, go to profile, and right now you have profile. So this is your profile right now. You can go edit profile. You have here the bio, and you have here the links and website. So you take the link from here or from here, copy link. You can add here the link of here. You will see it here. Okay, so now after we have that profile, let's go to open profile here, Sanker winners. Okay, you choose whatever you want. You choose your brand, your name, what you want to do, just do it. Sign up. Okay, so after we finish all of this, we have Instagram account. You do in the Instagram, you edit profile, go links, and add external link. You have here your link title. You can just write grow with Master Sanker or something, and you will see the link here. You see, this is the link, and I just want to show you this is the link. Yes, so you go directly to the website of Master Sanker, and here actually all the people can buy all of these things. I will explain you all of the things you have here after. And right now let's go to YouTube. So in YouTube you just go to your email, inside your email, okay, and you make create. When you make create, upload a new video, and you need to create channel. Okay, so this is actually the name. This is the name of the channel. Let's do Master Sunker winners. You can choose whatever you want here, create channel, and we have channel. That's it. We have channel on YouTube now. So let's see about the channels. Let's make the link here. So here, this is the link title. Let's do it like grow yourself. And here, this is the URL. You take it from here, copy link and paste, and that's it, publish. Of course, when you do it, so of course change the photo and make a lot of things, yeah, don't stay it like that. But right now this is the link here. You see the link, you get directly there. And let's see, after I click sometimes, so probably it will be here like 3. You see, because I open it one time, after I open it one more time, and this is the third time. Okay, so now I explain you about the drive. So here in the description of this video you have also the drive link. So let's say I want to download this video, okay, and I want to upload this video. You see, so many videos. I bring you so many videos here on free, don't need to pay. Okay, so after we download it, I recommend you to upload 5 videos per day. You can just download all the videos and upload five videos per day. You can go there. So you go to upload. Of course, you can do it also from the application. It's easier there, but let's do it like that. So I want to upload this video. Description, I make link on bio, link in bio, and the people who see this video can see this link in bio. It's really important to upload it in high quality. I will show you that also. High quality, everyone, is really important. And post, that's it, the video published. Okay, and you can see that on your profile now. You see, this is the video, this is the link on bio. You go to the plus, you go to your, here is really important to see, is also for hello high quality uploads. It's really important. Okay, here also link in bio, post it, and you will see that here the videos. Start in the Instagram. Before you start in the Instagram, is really important thing, go here to these 3 lines and go here to creator tool and switch account type. Here you need to choose professional account. It's really important. I not have it because I already in the professional account, but do it right now, professional account, and after you do professional account, you will see that. You will see the professional dashboard, okay? So you go here. If you not see that, the creator tool and control, so it will be on setting and privacy, account type and tools, and switch to professional account. Now I show you on Instagram how you can do that. So create, take the video, and next, link in bio, and share. Also here is really important to see this is allowing high quality, and it's really important to connect your Instagram to Facebook to share what you upload in Instagram to Facebook also, because people in Facebook can go to your Instagram and see the link on bio. It's really important. It's really good tool, and I tell you to do that. Go to plus and you choose next. Make it like link on bio. Okay, link in bio. And here is really important to see this is upload at high quality. Okay, and also share on Facebook. It's really important, guys. Here, really important, you share also for Facebook page. So do it. For you, actually, it's bring you to make new one page. So make it, and after make share. After you make share, you will see all the videos here. You will see the video here. And this is a YouTube. So go to the plus, short, add, done. And here also you need to make the link in bio, link in bio, and upload short. That's it. This is what you need to do. So let's explain about what I have in the website. Okay, so in the website, this is the website, mastersanker.com. You have here the all-in-one mentorship and community. So if you come inside, you can see you have 6 courses and 5 communities. Also, you have a mentor. Okay, when you pay this chat, you can talk with this chat, and when you pay, this chat will be your mentor. Because if you want to ask some questions, if you don't understand something, if you want more knowledge about something, so this chat bring you knowledge about everything, bring you ideas, bring you so many things, whatever you need. All questions you have, you can ask here. Also, you can ask for in the community. Also, you have all the details in the courses. So this is all in one. You get 6 courses, 5 communities, and mentor in the chat, just in $49 per month. Really nothing for 5 communities, for 6 courses, and for mentor. And we have here the one-on-one mentorship with me. This is actually with me. I teach you everything, I talk with you, and we build something together. This is $10,000 per month. This is not for everyone. Master Sanker Gift Club. This is actually community for gift once per week. This is a course, video course, just for confident, $50. After will be here more courses. And here we have get access to all my content. So here, if you want to use this thing, this costs $29. and you get access to all the content I have, more than 2,000 videos. So if you want, it's here. In the free content I bring you is just 250 videos. Here is more than 2,000. So if you want to improve yourself and grow more, this is your way. And the affiliate program here also meet me, Master Sanker. So this is for Zoom conversation, 1,500 per hour. This is to making content or meet me face to face. This is in Dubai, 15,000, in Europe 15,000, and in US 25,000. So that's it, guys. If you have more questions, you can ask me in the comments.